Welcome back. This is Nick Akerma once again. As I promised, I am going to solve similar to the last one that I solved. Similar example. As you can see here, I have 2x minus 3. The one that I have is 2x minus 5. The divisor. I am talking about the divisor. Okay. Let's see if we can solve that. We have 2x minus 3 divided by, we have 6x raised to 5 minus x raised to 4 minus 32x raised to 3 minus 20x squared plus 5x plus 8. We will start with the first term. We have 6 divided by 2 is 3. X raised to 4. So we have 6x raised to 5 minus 9x raised to 4. Subtract, then this is 0. Then we have negative and negative is positive. So we have positive 8x raised to 4. Minus 32x raised to 3. Then we have plus 4x raised to 3. Then we have 8x raised to 4 minus 12x raised to 3. Subtract, so this is 0. We have negative, negative, positive. So we have 20. Negative 20x raised to 3. Minus 20x squared. We will divide once again, so we have negative 10x squared. So we have negative 20x raised to 3 minus 30x squared. Subtract, that's 0. Then we have positive 10x squared plus 5x. So we have plus 5x. So we have 10x squared minus 15x. Subtract, then we have that 0. We have 20x. 20x divided by 2, we have positive 10. Then we have 10x. 10 divided and multiplied by 2x is 20. Oh, we have plus 8 there, sorry. We have 20x minus 30. Let's see, I will review. This is wrong, this is wrong. Plus 30 it should be. Okay, I can see now. Where did I will erase. Then I will erase that also. Okay. Now, we have negative, negative. We subtract, so we have negative, negative is and negative, positive is negative, so negative 50 x squared. So we have plus 5x. So we have negative 25 x. So negative 50 x minus 75 x plus 75. Then we have subtract, then we have 0 there. We have 70x. That's negative plus 8. So we have negative 70. That's 35. I have negative 70x plus 1 of 5. 5. Subtract, this is 0. Then we have negative 97. So our answer is that one now. I hope that's alright. We get the correct answer. Let's see with synthetic division. So we have 2x minus 3. So if we factor by 2, then we have x minus 3 divided by 2. As you can see, our divisor now is positive 3/2. And then we take just the constants. We have 6, negative 1, negative 32, negative 20, and then positive 5, positive 8. Let's see. We bring down 6, we have 18. Divided by 2, we have positive 9, we have 8. 24 divided by 2 is 12. We have negative 20. Negative 20, 60 divided by 2 is 30, negative 30. And we have 50, negative 50. Negative 50 divided by, multiplied by 3 is 150, that's 75. That's negative 75. Then we have negative 70. Negative 70 divided by 235, that's negative 105. 05, so we have negative 97. So if we divide just this one, so we have 3x raised to 4 plus 8x raised to 3 4x, I should say, minus 10x squared minus 25x minus 35. It's 25 minus 97 divided by 2x minus 3. Like what we got here. 35, 25, 10. Good. We get the same. How about if I will give you another, which is, we will say 3x minus 1 as a divisor. So we have 6x raised to 3 minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1. So we have 3x minus 1 as our divisor. And we have 6x raised to 3 minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 1. Okay, let's start with 6x raised to 3 divided by 3x, so we have 2x squared. So we have 6x raised to 3 minus 2x raised to 2. So this one now is 0. Negative negative is positive, so we have negative 3x squared plus 4x. Then we have negative x. So we have negative 3x squared minus a plus x. So we have subtract 0, negative, positive, so we have negative 3x minus 1. So we have plus 1. We have 3x minus 1. Subtract. Oh, we have 0 and 0, 0. Good. Then that is the factor. Okay, synthetic division. We have 3x minus 1. So we have 3, we have x minus 1/3. That means we have positive 1/3. Just the constants, we have 6, negative 5, positive 4, negative 1. What happened now? Negative 1. And then we have 6 there. We have positive 2. We have negative 3. And we have negative 1. We have 3. We have 1. We have 0. So remainder is 0. So if we apply the same thing that we have done here, we divide everything by 2. We divide everything by 2. Now we're going to divide everything by 3. So we have now 2x raised to 2, because we have cube here and we have x here, minus x minus I plus 1. That's our quotient. So I hope you learned something from the division of polynomials with long division and synthetic division. But sometimes you have divisor that is where you cannot apply synthetic division. For example, you have 4x raised to 5 plus 6x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 2 minus x minus 10 divided by 2x squared plus 3. This one we cannot apply synthetic division because your divisor is not linear, or the highest degree is 1. Here your highest degree is 2. There is another type of problem that you have. For example, you have 4x raised to 5 minus 25 x raised to 4 plus 40 x raised to 3 plus 3x squared minus 18x divided by x divided by x squared minus 6x plus 9. As you can see here, we have a trinomial, so you cannot use synthetic division either. So these two types of example, this one that I'm going to discuss in my next video. See you around.